What is up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and tonight we're going to be making a blooming onion, very similar to the Outback Steakhouse style of one, and also very similar to the guy that came up with the invention of the blooming onion machine, or whatever you want to call it. You see my dredge here. I want to get this a little bit more incorporated. All I have in here is our flour, cayenne, a little bit of oregano, and then in here I have 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and a little bit of cayenne. But first of all, the main thing here is how we're going to slice up the onion. So let me get you in closer for the close-up. So first thing is first, top, you're going to want to cut off. The bottom, you want to lightly trim. I tried to grab the largest sweet onion I could find. I have the outer edge peeled off. You can see that as well. Again, best thing for these is a coring knife. I don't have one, so I'm just using a little paring knife. Let's see here. Not the prettiest of jobs. Here we go. Now, flat side down. You want to make 4 cuts. You can see the 4 cuts there. You can start making more cuts into it. Just going around. At this point, you're just trying to make it look uniform. Until it all pretty much opens up and looks like this. Now, some people at this point would boil this for about 10 minutes. To get it to open up more. However, I think we'll be fine. As you can see, it's pretty well open. I did go back in there and cut a tiny piece of the core out. I got my dredge here. It doesn't seem like a whole lot, but what you're going to do is a double dredge. Try to get that real opened up there. So while my vegetable oil is heating up to 350 degrees, we're going to make a very similar sauce to the Outback sauce. Just got some mayo going in. Gotta have the mayo. Next, go with the sour cream. Probably won't have to use all of that, even though I might as well, because obviously just a packet of it. And then you have to have some cream style horseradish sauce, because even if you go to some other steakhouses, they're definitely using horseradish sauce for their blooming onions. A little garlic powder, a little bit of paprika. Here, of course, just very little amount. Ketchup. Incorporate all this together. lot of people will put these opposite end down, but what I'm going to do is differently. They'll do that for about 2 minutes. Just going to sprinkle on some of this batter here. We're only going to go for about 10 minutes. So.